We won't be evaluating Zorin OS as a distribution, but as its motto, being an alternative to Windows, making your computer more powerful and efficient. We'll start this comparison with Windows 10, using the CPU-Z application for basic measurements and benchmarks to understand the system's capabilities. Then, using the Resource Monitor, we'll observe RAM usage by opening several Firefox windows, one by one, analyzing how memory consumption increases with each new window. Now we need to investigate how much disk space the Windows installation used. We open File Explorer and check the disk properties for details. We run WinSat to analyze the CPU, memory, and disk performance. We then analyze the test results, which weren't particularly informative, but still offer some insights. We installed Boot Racer to measure the operating system's boot time, performing the test by restarting the PC and observing the boot time efficiency of the system. Then, we installed Passmark to benchmark the system. The results showed how the system handles different performance dimensions, giving us deeper insights into its capabilities. Now it's Crystal Mark's turn, a program that performs CPU, disk, and graphics card evaluations in both 2D and 3D, providing detailed performance analysis. As usual, we review the applications that Zorin installs by default. It has a visually appealing desktop environment, providing a user-friendly experience right from the start. Then, we open the console and increase the font size for better visibility, ensuring that we can clearly view and analyze the results from various system tools. We update the system and install the necessary applications, NeoFetch, Sysbench, and Firefox. These tools help evaluate the overall system performance and benchmark results more accurately. We run NeoFetch to observe details like the kernel, number of packages, the desktop environment DE, Window Manager WM, memory, and disk to gather system information. Using commands, we display the distribution, codename, kernel, memory, and disk to calculate the total installed, helping us analyze system specifications and make more accurate comparisons. We check the Y2038 issue by verifying the current date and running system danalyze to check the system's boot time, ensuring it's ready for future challenges. We ran Sysbench tests, CPU to measure the computational power of the processor through mathematical calculations, providing insight into CPU performance under load. Memory reads and writes evaluate the speed and efficiency of data access and storage in RAM, helping us understand overall memory performance and its responsiveness. Disk reads and writes assess the performance and responsiveness of the storage device, ensuring the system works optimally when reading and writing large amounts of data. We test thread handling to analyze how well the system handles multiple threads running simultaneously. This measures its ability to process complex workloads efficiently. Finally, we ran the mutex test to measure the effectiveness of locking mechanisms, which manage concurrent resources and provide a better understanding of system resource management. We also used the top command to monitor RAM usage while opening Firefox with a single window. This helps evaluate the system's memory usage during basic browsing tasks. We then tested with 2 windows and video playback, then 3 windows, and finally 4 windows open, observing how the system handles multiple applications under more load. After that, we shut down the system and analyzed the results obtained from both systems. This helps us compare their performance across multiple areas thoroughly. In initial memory, Zorin consumed less, 1.61 GB versus 4.47 GB. On disk, Zorin installed less, 10.9 GB versus 83.5 GB. Boot time, Zorin used 52 seconds compared to 57. Regarding the memory consumed by Firefox, Zorin, with an initial memory of 2,628 MB, increased its memory by 267 MB per window. Windows started with 4,748 MB and used 412 MB per window. Regarding thread management, a direct comparison couldn't be made since they handle different sizes. However, we calculated the increase ratio using multithreading. Zorin increased by 2.94, Windows by 2.62. Zorin OS 18 is undoubtedly the winner of this comparison. Its motto is true, and Windows users can migrate to Zorin OS, keeping the familiar Windows look. That's all. We'll continue evaluating operating systems. If you liked the video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and activate the bell. See you next time.